Hello, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a review like everybody else do, you know. Let me join the bandwagon because it's because of y'all YouTube videos I went and buy this here in the first friggin' place. You know how us women like to do. We always want to go to the popular vendors because they popular don't always mean they have the best shit. So I went and buy Sunber here because everybody's saying it's good. It's great quality. Well, I did get my package fast. Let me say that. I got my package fast. It came in a week. The packaging was cute. The hair does not smell bad. It smells like it needs to wash. You need to wash it. You know, you probably need to sage it down, sage. Just, sage sage down anything you put on your hair. Especially if it's coming from China. You might need to sage all the bad juice. Okay. After you sage up the hair, put some good energy. It's not what I expected. First of all, let me get there. Because I ordered 150% density. Density, I can't speak. See, the hair frigging up my energy. I ordered 150% density. What I is? I want that. Huh? And this is the beginning of my lace. It's 150. It's supposed to be 18 inches, first of all. I don't know where you're looking from, or from where I'm looking. I haven't even tried the hair on. I was disappointed a little bit, so I just put it in the bag and went to bed when the DHL came last night. I didn't even try it on, sis. I just looked at it and I was like, because I wanted it to be long and curly. I want to be wet and wavy, sexy, feeling a little Puerto Rican on the beach. I wanted it to be longer, and had I known that the 18-inch don't run long, because maybe if I pull it a little bit, it's still no. So this is an 18-inch, 150% density with a lace wig that's supposed to be 13 by 6. I mean a closure that's supposed to be 13 by 6. And I'm not a pro with wigs, plucking and tweezing and tweaking, but I'm definitely gonna dye this. It just seems like 2 bundles of hair to me. Y'all know when you used to wearing bundles, you know how much 3 bundles should feel. Like I said, I'm not expert with the wigs. I'm getting familiar with them, but I know what 3 bundles supposed to feel like. And for $150, you think you would get 3 bundles and a whole frontal. I need to speak to customer service. I need to talk to somebody because maybe I need to see an example of what the lesser density may be and may feel like. So therefore I can feel like I got my money's worth. Because I got 150% density and 18 inches and I'm not too pleased. Then they give me this little thing in here. This little braided up thing. I appreciate the freebies, but they should have given me this in inches. Just give me from some free inches. And they give me a stocking cap like I can't find stocking cap. Thank you. But let me tell you, I will have to see after I put on this hair if it's 18 inches or not. I will have to see if it's 18 inches or not, because looking from where I look at, I ain't too pleased with these inches be. Got my Tupac swag. Anyway, so I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna finish. Getting my mind together with the date and this hair. And I am definitely gonna come back with a video of me dyeing it like a honey blonde. But like I said, Sunber, I am not impressed. I am not pleased. I will definitely go on your YouTube on your Instagram, on your Facebook, everywhere I could find you, and I will let you know I am not pleased because for this amount of hair, I feel like I could have went in the beauty supply and buy this for 150 and probably would have got more hair. We always want to throw away the beauty supply. Never forget where you come from. Some of the beauty supplies have really good shit, and then we want to go hire, go play with the people online for them to mail us our shit, and we don't be pleased. I ain't mailing this back. I don't have time. My B-day this weekend, B. I'm trying to be sexy. Look at this. I ain't able. But this what the lace look like in the back. And this the lace in the front. That's what it look like. So anyway, and as you can see, I figured out the correct way to get my camera position for my YouTube video. Because my last video, forgive me. I'm learning and growing. But I'm going to take y'all on a journey as I get cute and sexy for the weekend. Your girl B-Day. But I'm not pleased with this Sunber. Because if I know 18 inches was going to look so. Okay, 18 inches from the nape. This not 18 inches. This is the nape of the hair. This is 18. I don't know if they think I select 16 or 14 or some fuck. Excuse my language. But yeah, anyway, I'll be back with the dye video. So, I got the hair situated in sections on the mannequin, and we're about to get it started. I got my shutter. So, this is how the wig turned out. The color is a little deeper and darker than I expected. Maybe I will lighten it up. But it is my 35th B-Day. Smelling the flowers. I'm definitely going to enjoy my weekend. Thank you for watching. Until next time, adios.